Hello everyone, welcome back to Collins Code. Today we're going to be going over GravCMS and how to install a search engine optimization plugin into GravCMS. So first let me talk about Grav itself. So Grav CMS is a content management system, so that's what CMS stands for, and it's used to build websites, but mainly towards documentation. That's what Grav's best known for, but you can use Grav for pretty much anything. Now, Grav is great because it's an open source project. There's many people looking over it. There's always, constant changes going on to the actual project and the source code itself. And it's built on kind of like a flat file system. It doesn't use like a database. And it's very secure because the only thing that's really in the back end is some PHP that's handling requests. So Grav itself, very secure, very easy to learn. As I'll talk about later, development and adding plugins is just really, really easy. Development in general is just very easy. It's all written in markup. So markup is a language that's similar to HTML, but a lot easier to write and very easy to pick up. So as a developer, when you're developing in Grav, it's so simple. All you have to do is just look over the documentation a little bit, and that'll get you acquainted with it. So anyway, enough about Grav. Similar to like WordPress and Wix, all that stuff. That's what a content management system is, but Grav's a little different in its own way. But I'm going to show you guys how to actually install a plugin into Grav. So first, let me just go to my site here. So I'll go conclease.com/GravCMS/admin. So this is the admin page. I'll show you the regular page here. The admin page, so here's the regular page. So here's what my site looks like. Here's nice little overview here. So we go to the finance section. Oops, finances. I gotta fix that link. And yeah, so it's super easy to develop in. I probably did this in about an hour and a half, and I came up with all these different pages. So as a developer, it's very, very easy to work in. But anyway, let's go to the admin page, and I'm going to show you how to install a plugin. And we're going to be installing our search engine optimization plugin. Let me pause this real quick and grab my password. Okay, so I've grabbed my password and let's log in. Okay, so here's the dashboard of the administration page of Grav. So here we have our dashboard. It gives us some statistics of people visiting the sites, and then we have maintenance, last update, stuff like that. Anyway, let's go to the plugins page here, and I'm going to show you how to install a plugin. So we go onto the plugins page. We're going to click add. And then let's type in SEO. We're going to be looking for a search engine optimization plugin. Now this is a little slow, a little buggy, but here we go. There we go. And we're just going to choose this one. It has like a little Google logo next to it. And now we can install the plugin. Continue. And it's going to say installing packages. Okay, so now it's installed. Very nice. So now let's go to, so here's like the configuration for the plugin. This could also be found in the config folder under the user folder, but there's a nice little graphical GUI to kind of change it. So you can add your like Twitter. So there I've added my Twitter. You can also add your Facebook app ID to the configuration. Anyway, but if we go to our pages here, I'll show you how this actually works. So I want to optimize. Actually, let's do the finances one actually. So we'll go to finances, and then SEO. Okay. So I want to change how it looks on Google. So this is like what it would traditionally look like on Google. Let's say I want it to be Colin Cleese, and then Grav CMS finances, right? And then the description can be whatever, but let's just leave it like that. That's probably not the best idea to not have a description, but anyway, let's go to Twitter. You can change the card. So here I'll choose this image that I have, so I put that in my directory and I can use it. So this is what, let's say I link up this page here, which is Concrete GravCMS finances, and I posted on Twitter. That's what the card's gonna actually look like. So yeah, it's cool. It's good stuff. You can also do some like metadata for the page. So if I enable this, let's add an event, and you can give, this is going to use schema, and yeah, it's really cool. This plugin's great. And also there's Facebook options, but yeah. So I'll save that, and perfect. Okay, so now let's give it a search on Google. Concrete GravCMS finances. All right, we gave it our best shot. Obviously, we're not going to be up on the top page, but yeah. But I mean, theoretically, if it was to show up on Google, it would look like that. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's pretty much all I have for this video, and tune in next week.